How to contact the mind of that special person and get them to respond to you. Today, we're going to conduct a step-by-step telepathic experiment. It's simple, effective, and could open the door to a new way of understanding human connection. Get ready for something different. Before we begin, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe, because here we share experiments and concepts you won't hear elsewhere. Let's get started. Telepathy exists and is backed by thousands of testimonies and studies. Everything is connected. The mind isn't just thoughts, it's energy, it emits frequency, and that frequency can travel faster than light. We're going to prove it. The human mind has 3 levels: conscious, 3rd dimension; subconscious, 4th dimension; superconscious, 5th dimension. Most of the results you experience in your life come from your deep beliefs, imprinted in your subconscious. And according to Carl Jung, the subconscious is collective. That means we are connected. This experiment will give you a new reference point, a direct experience that can strengthen your belief that the mind can communicate beyond the physical. As with any belief, the more evidence you have, the stronger it becomes. Today you will create one. Imagine that each mind is like a radio. If 2 radios are tuned to the same frequency, they communicate. The same happens with people. Science has already confirmed that the brain and heart emit waves that can be measured with technologies like the electroencephalogram or electrocardiogram. Uniting mind and heart with a clear intention can create a connection that transcends the quantum field. And now, let's move on to the exercise. Pay attention. Relax. Find a quiet place. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Place your hand on your abdomen to feel the movement. This type of breathing activates your parasympathetic system, allowing you to enter a receptive state. Detach from the outcome. Attachment generates fear, and fear creates blockages. Do it like a game. Raise your frequency. Think of something positive, beautiful, or full of love. Write the full name of the person you want to connect with. Use a piece of paper. Visualize that person doing something every day. It could be drinking coffee, reading, walking. Engage in a mental conversation. Look them in the eyes, gesture with your hands as you speak, even touch their shoulder or give them a handshake. The power of fingers and gaze generates strong psychotronic energy. Leave the conversation unfinished. Leave something pending. The other person will feel that need to close the loop. Now we'll do this together. Close your eyes. Breathe deeply. Feel your body relaxed. Observe your breath. Think of something beautiful. Raise your frequency. Write that person's full name on a piece of paper. Visualize that person doing something typical of them. Approach them. Converse. Look them in the eyes. Use your hands. And now, stop. Leave the conversation open. Feel the certainty that this person will receive the message. When you open your eyes, let go. Don't chase. Just trust. If you ever thought of someone and they instantly texted or called you, that was it, telepathy. This experiment has been tested by ancient cultures and research centers. There are declassified documents that confirm it. But today, we're not talking about theory but about proof. Do it. Write me in the comments if you've already done it or if you'd like to try it. And if you want to keep exploring the power of the mind, subscribe. We'll upload another experiment like this soon. The change starts now.